Swallow Yachts design and build high-quality day boats for private users. We're really lucky with the site here, right on the north shore of the Teivi estuary. 500 yards that way is the start of the Irish Sea. Being able to test our boats quickly during the prototyping stages, take a sail in the morning, pull it out, back in the workshop straight away, is really important. For me, the biggest draw of being here is the sea. I absolutely love the summer. There's some of the best beaches in Britain. Within a 10-minute car journey, you can't beat it. So I'm lucky that I can earn a living here. Me and my key members of staff all love living here. There's no reason or feeling that we'd ever want to move anywhere else.